Good morning students. Today we are going to understand next two sums from accounting ratios and analysis. Sum number 16. Calculate stock turnover ratio from the following information of Y company limited. So the formula for stock turnover ratio equals to cost of goods sold divided by average stock. First of all, we will find out cost of goods sold opening stock rupees 2 lakh plus purchase 22 lakh plus purchase expenses 1 lakh plus wages equals to 2,50,000. Then we will make the total 2 lakh plus 22 lakh plus 1 lakh plus 2,50,000, 27 lakh 50,000 minus closing stock. Closing stock is 1,50,000. 27 lakh 50,000 minus 1 lakh 50,000, we will get 26 lakh. This is cost of goods sold. Now we will find out average stock. Average stock equals to opening stock plus closing stock divided by 2. Opening stock is 2 lakh plus closing stock is 1,50,000 divided by 2, 3,50,000 divided by 2, then 3,50,000 divided by 2, we will get 1,75,000 rupees. Then the values will be put in the formula. Cost of goods sold 26 lakh, average stock 1,75,000. 26 lakh divided by 1,75,000, we will get 14.86 times. This is the final answer for stock turnover ratio. स्टूडेंट्स, इसी के साथ कंप्लीट होता है हमारा सम नंबर 16. अब करेंगे नेक्स्ट सम नंबर 17. कैलकुलेट वर्किंग कैपिटल टर्नओवर रेशियो based on sales and cost of goods sold from the following information of Z company limited. Then first of all, based on sales, the formula for working capital turnover ratio equals to sales divided by working capital. Here sales is not given. We have cost of goods sold and gross profit. On the basis of cost of goods sold and gross profit, we can find out sales like this. Cost of goods sold equals to sales minus gross profit. Cost of goods sold is given 32 lakh. Sales we have to find out. Gross profit is given 8 lakh. माइनस की वैल्यू इक्वल्स टू के इस तरफ जाएगी तो प्लस में हो जाएगी, मीन्स 32 लाख प्लस 8 लाख इक्वल्स टू सेल्स. सेल्स इक्वल्स टू 32 लाख प्लस 8 लाख 40 लाख रुपीज. You can find out the sales value from this formula. Sales equals to cost of goods sold plus gross profit. Cost of goods sold 32 lakh, gross profit is 8 lakh, then 32 lakh plus 8 lakh we will get 40 lakh rupees. This is sales. Now we have to find out working capital. Working capital equals to current assets minus current liabilities. Current assets are 5 lakh and current liabilities are 3 lakh. So current assets 5 lakh minus current liabilities 3 lakh. We will get 2 lakh rupees as working capital. Then we will put the values in the formula. Sales is 40 lakh divided by working capital is 2 lakh. 40 lakh divided by 2 lakh 20 times is the final answer of working capital turnover ratio. अब सम को करेंगे स्टूडेंट्स बेस्ड ऑन cost of goods sold. The formula of working capital turnover ratio equals to cost of goods sold divide by working capital. Here cost of goods sold is already given 32 lakh. Working capital we have found out 2 lakh. 32 lakh divided by 2 lakh we will get 16 times. It is the final answer of working capital turnover ratio based on cost of goods sold. और इसी के साथ कंप्लीट होता है स्टूडेंट्स हमारा सम नंबर 17. स्टूडेंट्स नेक्स्ट टाइम मिलेंगे नेक्स्ट सम्स के साथ. स्टूडेंट्स आपको हमारा ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो प्लीज लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब टू सपोर्ट अस. थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स.